friends, it's Frankie, back with another episode of Zooming on Your TV. In today's episode, we're going to show you how to hook up your laptop, your Windows-based laptop, in this case a Windows 10 laptop, to your TV. Now, we're going to show you how to do that 3 different ways today, based upon what TV you have, what laptop you have. So some of the things you have to make sure you have in advance is your TV needs to have an HDMI port on it, and your laptop needs to have an HDMI port on it. Your TV needs to be a Roku TV, or it needs to have a Roku device connected to it. Now, with those things out of the way, we want to show you the first way that you'll connect your laptop to your TV, and this would be by using just a standard HDMI cable. Now, many of you have used this method already and are quite familiar with how to connect up your device with a cable to the TV. But we're going to run through that process today. We're going to plug this into the HDMI port on the laptop. And on the other end, we're going to take that and connect it to the HDMI 1 port of the TV. Then we're going to take the remote and we're going to choose the proper HDMI port that we're connected to. In this case, it's HDMI 1. Now, what should happen is we should see the screen from the laptop projected to our TV. So from this point, we could launch whatever app we wanted to on our laptop, and we would then see it on the TV. And of course, this is an episode of Zooming on your TV, and so you would open up Zoom and then log into a meeting or start your own meeting, and you'd be able to see everything on the TV and control everything on your laptop. So that's our number one way to connect your laptop to your TV is with a HDMI cable. So we'll go ahead and disconnect this. And the next method we're going to talk about is if you have a Roku TV or a TV with Roku on it, you should be able to connect wirelessly without any extra devices or needing to buy anything extra. Now, how you'll do this is you'll use a built-in feature on Windows 10 that will allow you to connect wirelessly to your device. In this case, we're going to do the Windows K key, and it's going to bring up your connections. You can also find this by going to the little picture of the computer in the bottom right corner, clicking on it and choosing the option Connect, and it'll bring this menu up. Now, if your TV has the option of connecting to it, you'll see your TV in the window up here. Now, in this case, I can look through here and I can see a 32-inch TCL Roku TV. So that tells me my TV is capable of receiving a signal wirelessly from my laptop. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that option. And you should eventually see the laptop connect to the TV wirelessly without any wires needed. And there we are. And so, again, same process. You can open up Zoom on your laptop, and you'll be able to see it displayed on your TV. You'll interact with the laptop. It'll affect what you see on the TV. So that's our second way of connecting. If you have a newer style smart TV with Roku TV built in, or if you have a Roku TV, I believe, you'll be able to use this method. Now we're going to talk about a third method, and it's also a wireless connection, but it is going to require another device. So we're going to go ahead and disconnect from here. So this next method will require a device that you will buy. It's called a Microsoft Wireless Display Adapter. And what you'll notice with it is it'll have an HDMI port on it, and it'll have a USB port for power. And so you'll simply plug that into an HDMI port on your TV. I'm going to plug it into HDMI 1 since we're not using that at the moment. And on the back of your TV, you should have a USB port. If not, you'll need to plug this into a wall adapter that has a USB port and plug it into power. Make sure you use the 5-volt, adapter that has for a cell phone or whatever, and that will provide enough power. But in this case, my TV has a USB port for providing power, so I'm going to plug it in. Now I plugged it into HDMI 1, so if we go to HDMI 1 on our TV, we should get the display of our Microsoft display adapter to show up. As you can see, this one's called Frankie's Microsoft Display Adapter. You can install software and you can name this whatever you want. But now if I want to connect, I would do the same thing. I would do the Windows key, K key, and it will bring up the items that I can connect to. In this case, I see Frankie's Microsoft Display Adapter, and so I'm going to choose that. And now it's going to connect to this adapter and allow me to project whatever's on my laptop to the TV wirelessly. The nice thing about this option is it runs around $50, $60. You can get that and add it to any TV with an HDMI port and allow you to wirelessly connect to your current TV, even if you don't have a newer smart TV. So that's really about all we had to show you today on this episode of Zooming on Your TV. By taking your laptop and connecting it to your TV, you can do it 3 different ways, 2 wireless ways and 1 with a wire. So please tune in next time as we'll have another episode of Zooming on Your TV where we'll show you how to take a device and connect it to your TV. Thanks for watching.